Bahagi ng annual calendar ng WTA.
Yes, when they gave the franchise, kasama dyan yung option to renew for the next 2 years. But I'd just like to correct yung kaibigan po natin. Hindi pa naman sure yung masyado nyo kami pre-impression, hindi pa sure yung 250. Kasi hindi pa pasa po yung Rizal Memorial sa 250. So depende po yan if we have a new venue and if we do well this time. Kaya sabi ko kanina, napaka-importante na maging memorable at successful itong event na to para may chance tayo dun sa mas malaking WTA 250 later on.
Okay, follow po. Doon po sa National Training Center, what's her timeline? Yung groundbreaking na ba? Kailan po matatapos ito?
Well, yung timeline sana matagal na. Oo, kahapon pa. Kaya lang, alam mo yung problema parati natin yung pondo. Okay? So, we're working on it. We're talking to different agencies. Mulat rin tayo sa Senado, yung mga kaibigan po natin doon, baka masama dun sa budget po natin. And yun, 10 hectares yun. So, malaking bagay. We can plan it well, no, to international standards. So, napaka-importante nung training center po niya.
Mark Mateo, Bodilis po. Quick follow-up lang kayo muna. Ma'am, apart from Alex po, nag-sign na po ba sila Malis, Rivera, Aludo? Okay na po ba?
Malis, Tenny Malis, and Shira Rivera. Well, kasi kahit sa qualifying, kailangan may WTA ranking. So, actually, kung babasehan lang yung no ranking nila, hindi sila ma-accept kahit sa qualifying. Pero meron kaming 2 wild card sa qualifying, and we also have 4 wild cards in the main draw as the host. So, we're still trying to see kung sino yung bibigyan namin ng wild card. But Tenny probably has a good chance because she's our #1 ranked player locally. So, but we'll decide all that after the deadline of entries.
Last question, clarification. Pong Petraldez, Malaya again. Assuming Alex, all things considered, plays, is she confined only to the singles play? Because we also remember we also have a doubles competition, and possibly who may her partner be, or will we know later there?
So the main draw for the singles starts on Monday, so the sign-in will be on Sunday. So her deadline to sign in for the singles would be on Sunday. Now the doubles, she can also play. It starts on Tuesday, so
Yes.
it just really depends on how far she goes because she's also playing doubles in AO. But we are also
She's
also playing doubles in AO. But we also plan to keep a wild card for her in doubles, singles and doubles. As to who her partner would be, that we cannot know yet because it's too far off, and I guess her partner would also be last minute because, syempre, if you tell them, you wanna play doubles with me? I have a wild card in Manila. Pero if I advance in AO, sorry. We still have to figure out, that's the kind of dynamics in the women's tour. And players are kind of used to that, so we'll see. It's still super early lang naman. But yeah.
My final question is for Secretary Lapid. Because as you said, this is a big major sports tourism event. Because we were fortunate and privileged with Ms. Diane to cover the last successful World Junior Gymnastics Championships at the Marriott Manila Hotel. Sorry for the inadvertent introduction. Maraming tao kung nagpunta. There was a fan zone. What ancillary activities do you plan and to turn the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex, especially near the training center, as a festive atmosphere? May booths pa kayo doon, may concessionaires pa kayo doon, may other things that will really hype up and give a festive January atmosphere. Kumbaga, extended ng Christmas hanggang 26 to 31. Secretary Lapid. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you. First po, correction lang. COO po ko, baka magalit yung secretary ko. Ang secretary ko, Secretary Cristina Garcia.
Chief Operating Officer. Sige.
Yeah. Technically kami, for CHESA, kami yung infrastructure and investment arm ng Department of Tourism. So for the things that you were asking a while ago, for what are the different activities, it will be the Department of Tourism, regional NCR, department who will handle. So they're planning to bring, of course, a lot of showcase, festivities. Aside from booths, diba? We all know how we do it in the tourism. So I think that's their part. On our part, for CHESA, we will be funding yung sa construction, which we will be turning over I hope by Monday. The check will be ready because we were able to approve it last Tuesday or Wednesday, actually Wednesday lang. So may transfer na namin yung funds so that they can immediately implement the rehabilitation of the courts. And I think for the questions whether, dagdagan ko na ma'am, it's not my part. But I think the question for whether Alex would play or not, I think the important thing is we were granted to host. We were recognized and of course we wish Alex na dun sa mataas na nandun, but of course she would love to be here on our part. But we need to help each other talaga and try to really show everyone that we are capable and we can do it. Yun lang po. On our part, rest assured, of course, the Department of Tourism has something in line, preparation for booths, especially for local products that we have, that we can showcase for different tourists. Iba-iba ho yan, from clothes, from foods, and everything that they can take home, bring home to their country. And I think that would the main objective for the tourism industry, our sector, is to give a lasting impression so that we can convince them to come here, whether there's a sporting event or not, just for vacation, they can come. And that's our target for us on the tourism industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Mark. And as Tats and Don and Chairman have been emphasizing, because admittedly we're short